Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block specific email or multiple email addresses in contact form 7. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using contact form 7 and we are going to block specific email address or multiple email addresses using plugin. So user cannot submit form. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write spam protect for contact form 7. So this is plugin we are using. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. Go to contact form 7. So this is our form. Now refresh the page. Now scroll down. You see anti-spam setting. So click on it and then you see put here emails that you want to block. So you can add specific email or multiple email addresses according to your requirement. So we are going to add it. So we added this email. So you can add multiple email addresses separated by comma. So scroll down. You see custom message. So you can set your message and then click on save. Now contact form saved. Go to page and refresh the page. Now we are going to fill the form. So we added some information and then you see our email address. So we added this email address in block section and then click on submit. So in this way you can block specific email address or multiple email address in contact form 7. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.